Hello everyone and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and now we are going to discuss about the general knowledge paper analysis of the Combined Defense Services examination that is conducted today. And you have heard it right that the Combined Defense Services examination 2 of 2020 of this particular year, it was conducted today, that is on 8th of November 2020 on Sunday, and I hope that each and every defense aspirant who has given this particular examination has written this in a very well way and they have given their best. We already got too many comments and too many explanations from various candidates that they have given the exam was slightly difficult and it was slightly moderate to few people. Some people were happy, some people felt that the examination was very tricky. So in this particular session I will be discussing with you about what all questions have come in this particular examination, in the sense the number of questions that have come in each and every particular subject, including the subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, economics and etc. Various other subjects will also be included. So I will begin with this particular session with a basic understanding about how I'm going to divide this particular session. First and foremost thing about the marking system of the CDS 2 2020 general knowledge paper, you have to understand there are around 120 questions. Okay, so the number of questions are 120 and these 120 questions are been divided for only 100 marks. Okay, so even though the questions are 120, the marks are 100, whereas in the case of the mathematics paper of the CDS examination, there you have 100 questions of 100 marks, wherein which for every particular question you will get 1 mark. But here the situation is not like that. We have extra questions and that is the reason why for each and every question there are around 0.833 marks that are allotted approximately. Understanding? So you have to remember and understand with this particular most important one, and this is the main reason and cause that differs with the other candidates, and the numbers after the points will make the clear understanding about the overall All India ranks. So it is also indicative and imperative for us to understand that there is also the negative marking in this particular examination. For every incorrect answer you will be deducted 0.27 marks. That means 1/3 of the 0.83, which is 0.27 marks for every incorrect answer. So please remember that you give all the answers in a very proper way, and I hope that you gave your best. So there are around 120 questions for a total of how many marks? 100 marks. So this is the marking system in the CDS 2 2020 GK paper. So without wasting any time, we will start with the subject wise, question wise analysis. Going through with the subject wise one, it is regarding the physics. From the physics, the questions that are related to the physics that have appeared in CDS 2 2020, that they were around almost 10 questions. Okay, so 10 questions have come, the physics questions, and if you answer all of these 10 questions, then how many marks you will score? That will be equal to 0.83 for every correct answer into these 10 questions. You will be scored about 8.3 marks in this particular papers. Okay, so answering all the physics questions from this particular examination, you will be able to score 8.3 marks of the whole of 100 marks in this particular examination. Going through with the next subject is regarding chemistry. Now in this particular that there were around 13 questions were asked in chemistry, and answering all of them it will be around 10.79 marks. Understanding? So it is around 10.79 marks you will score in this particular examination. Okay, make sure that you give your chemistry answers in a very proper way and you check out each and every answer. Going through with the next subject is regarding biology. So from biology section, 9 questions have come, and these 9 questions, if you answer all of them properly, you will be able to score 7.47 marks out of the whole of 100 marks in this particular examination. Okay, so 9 questions out of 120, that indicates that you will get around 7.47 marks approximately out of the 100 marks. Going through with the next subject is regarding the Indian polity. In the Indian polity, 18 questions have asked in the CDS 2 2020 paper. In every year, CDS question paper, polity and history and geography are considered to be very, very important subjects, and it is very important for you people to understand and completely learn the Indian polity section. Going through with the Indian polity part, if you answer all of these 18 questions of the Indian polity properly in this particular examination, you will be able to score around 14.94 marks out of the 100 marks. Going through, as I told you about the next important subject is regarding history. Around 22 questions were asked in history, and answering these history questions in a proper way, in all of them in a correct way, you will be able to score around 18.26 marks out of the 100 marks. So it is very important that all of these history questions were asked in a very different and in a detailed way. I will tell you what all questions were asked, the topics and the areas that were focused in each and every particular subject once these subject wise analysis is completed. Going through with the analysis of the geography section, there were around 22 questions, and regarding the marks division, that will be around 18.26 marks. the same as of the history part, it will be considered. Okay, so both geography and history, same number of questions were asked. Both of them were 22 questions. Going with the next important subject is regarding economy. Economy indicates the Indian economy and economical subjects, economics and all. So regarding this particular section, 9 questions were asked that were completely related towards the economy part of the complete CDS question paper, and answering these 9 questions, you will be able to score 7.47 marks out of the 100 marks in this question paper. I hope that all of these are very well and good. Going through with the defense specific one, only one question was asked in the CDS 2 2020 paper. This is regarding the decommissioned INS Virat, so which was an decommissioned aircraft carrier. So it is regarding that only one question was asked. So if you answer that properly, it will be around 0.83 marks you will be able to score. So this question was very easy question, so it was not very tougher one. Going through the completely related current affairs and the static GK, these particular questions are related towards the governmental schemes and the important current affairs related questions that are happening in India and in abroad, and various other important developmental programs. Around 16 questions out of the whole of 120 questions were dedicated towards this particular section, and answering all of these, you will be able to score 13.28 marks out of the 100 marks in a very proper way. So if you go through in a complete way, as of now, if you go through the overall topic wise general knowledge analysis of the CDS 2 2020 paper, there were 10 questions that were asked from physics, 13 questions were asked from chemistry, 9 questions were asked from biology, 18 questions were asked from Indian polity, 22 questions were asked from Indian history, and regarding the geography part, 22 questions, the same number of history questions, so they were asked in the case of geography. 9 questions were asked in economy, only one question was asked related towards the defense specific one, and around 16 questions were asked that were based on the current affairs and the static GK. All of these, if you sum up, it will be around 120 questions, the total number of questions in the CDS GK question paper. If we go through the subject wise total percentage coverage, it is to be imperative and it is to be very important and compulsory for you to understand that 8% of the question paper was from physics, chemistry carried around 10%, biology 8%, history 19%, polity 15%, economics 8%, geography 18%, defense specific 1%, and current affairs and static GK will be around 13%. So this is a very important total percentage coverage regarding the general knowledge papers analysis. If we go through the important topics and the areas that were focused on regarding this particular examination, then I would like to mention to you that from the physics part, the questions were related towards the topics of gravitation, Newton's laws of motion, electromagnetic waves, ray optics and sound. Regarding the chemistry, the questions were asked from structure of atom, metals and non-metals, separation techniques, environmental chemistry and different types of the chemical reactions. Regarding biology, questions were asked from the taxonomy, kingdom of plantae and its anatomy, kingdom Animalia, evolution, molecular basis and inheritance related questions. Going through the other subjects regarding Indian polity, polity covered a vast amount of topics which include the questions that were asked on the fundamental rights, the roles and the responsibilities of governor, the panchayats, the secretary general of the Lok Sabha, various writs that are issued by the High Courts and the Supreme Court of India, questions regarding the comptroller and auditor general, the members of the parliament and their duties and their special powers, the questions regarding to the Election Commission of India, question related to the preamble, constituent assembly and its members, the judicial system of our country and the laws that are incorporated in the topic of citizenship. Going through with the history part, the questions that were asked were around the various associations that are established in British India, which include various different sort of associations. They might be established by the moderates or extremists. So the questions were also asked regarding the Congress moderates, the National Liberation Federation, Government of India Bill 1919 and different questions that were asked on Morley-Minto reforms, the modern India related questions. And if you go through the ancient and medieval history part, the ancient history part also, it includes the inscriptions and the questions that were asked on the art and architecture of the Gandhara and the Gupta period, the policies that were adopted by the Indian National Congress and the various sessions that were taken up by them and the leaders of those sessions. Going through with the geography section, if you have to consider, then the questions that were asked from the physical geography were too many, which include the questions related towards the tectonic plates, fluvial landforms, natural vegetations, layers of the atmosphere. A question was also asked regarding the planets and the various locations of the seas, the location of the nearest city that is located towards the equator, location of various specific countries was also mentioned, wherein which from the geography part that is considered to be very important one. Going through the last three important subjects is regarding the economy part. If we go through from the Indian economy, the questions were asked related to the HDI, the Human Development Index, the index of industrial production, the demand and utility curves, the trade between the countries and how does it happen in a proper way, various types of competitions which include oligopoly, proper competition, etc. The ease of doing business ranking that is released very nearly, and also the specific questions were asked related to the national budget of 2019 to 2020. Regarding defense specific, as I told you, the question was asked from INS Virat, which was a decommissioned aircraft carrier, and related to the current affairs, there were too many, but only few we were able to mention here, which include the Wimbledon Tennis Championship, optical fiber cable of Andaman Nicobar, newly elected Prime Minister of the Sri Lanka, then coming towards the ASEAN, also Stay in India, Study in India program, Chandrayaan 2's rover name, the COVID-19 vaccine, and the important medical association or agency that is tied up with it, and the topic related towards that one, the recently occurred Bagjan oil well tragedy, and various other multi-dimensional topics were discussed in this particular question paper. So this is a very brief and a very short the analysis of the complete number of questions and the overall percentage and weightage coverage of the various subjects in the combined defense services examinations general knowledge paper. I hope that this particular session was very helpful for you. If in case you are preparing for the CDS 1 2021 examination also, you can also go through our important courses. Please download our Android app from Google Play Store, which will be very helpful. Go through our combined defense services examination 1 2021 course, wherein which there are numerous important content lectures, sample practice questions, various videos, exercises, and also mock tests are also available for you. It was very happy and we were very proud to announce that most of the questions from the CDS 2 2020 paper were asked from various different questions that were asked in a mock test. So if in case you are preparing for the upcoming examination, please go through our course. Please download it, subscribe to our courses, and make sure that you prepare for the upcoming examinations. And we hope that you people get recommended and qualified in the CDS 2 2020 examination. All the best for the upcoming SSB and upcoming various examinations. Please stay tuned with us for more important information. The complete analysis regarding English is also live. The analysis regarding mathematics will be live very soon. So always stay tuned with us for updated and most preferred useful content for your preparation. Stay safe. All the very best. Jai Hind.